Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is AG Update. So guys, in today's video I'm going to talk about Beople. So this is a project I talked about on the 11th of January 2024 on how to participate in the airdrop campaign to maximize your chance of getting a potential reward at the end. So Beople going to launch today. So today's date is 28th of February 2024. So I'm going to tell you guys some important information you have to know about Beople and what to expect, because a lot of you are asking me, AG Update, is Beople going to airdrop? So this video I'm going to air out my opinion and what you need to know about Beople. So currently guys, you can see on the screen that Beople token is going to launch today at 12 p.m. UTC, and it's going to launch on Bybit, it's going to launch on KuCoin, it's going to launch on Gate.io as well, and I think it's going to launch on, alright, so for now KuCoin, Bybit, I'm sure of Gate.io, which is very sure Beople is going to launch. So for now guys, no updates about their airdrop criteria, so we don't know if Beople is going to give out airdrop reward or not. But you can see on the screen what's new with you is coming soon. And please, for those of you that are active on Beople, I would love to know your Beople point at the description of this video. If they are going to bring out airdrop criteria, will you be eligible? So I would love to know your Beople point at the description of this video, so you can now track Beople on Beople. But for now, no price, no starting price. So where market, Beople is currently trading at $0.5 per one Beople. You can see more information about Beople on CoinGecko. So a lot of you are asking me, AG Update, if there's going to be an airdrop. So there's no criteria if there's going to be any airdrop from Beople, but if there's going to be an airdrop from Beople, I'm going to update you guys. But Beople is a revolutionary Web3 social platform, and get some points to position yourself for some potential reward. But for now guys, no criteria is out that Beople are going to give out some potential reward, but I'm going to still keep you guys updated. So if you don't know anything about Beople, if you are new to this, I'm going to drop a video link at the description of this video where we are not late until the criteria is out and we are going to know if they have taken snapshot or not. Well, we are not late. Make sure to watch the video to see how to get started on Beople. So in that video I made mention of a code to use, but the code have expired, so I'm going to drop a new code at the description of that video. So I'm going to change the old code and put a new code, so please make sure to use the new code so that you can participate in Beople. Or you can send a message to me using my Telegram handle, which I'm going to drop at the description of this video. Very important guys, because without that code you cannot register on Beople. So guys, we just hope this is massive and a lot of us go to the moon. So I would love to hear from you on what you think about this. If this video was helpful, please give it a like. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit on the subscription button. And this is AG Update, your friend in crypto. Thank you guys, and many more grains to your wallet.